Organic chemistry can be communicated with only visual images. So let's just do it. Organic chemistry is all about carbon. Carbon forms 4 bonds with other compounds, and the bonds are all the same, and the carbon atom is symmetrical all the way around. Carbon, especially importantly, forms bonds with other carbon atoms, and they just hook together quickly and simply. And if you look at it, the carbon atom, you say, well, but there's 3 possibilities or even 4 possibilities, but they're all the same, so it doesn't really matter which one is going on. The connections are all the same. And if you look at this carbon, you see that it's hooked to 2 other carbons, but a carbon can actually hook to 3 carbons. And a carbon actually can hook to 4 carbons. So this one is connected to 2, this one is connected to 4. And the carbons just can go one after another, one after another. One of the dominant important physical images of this is that these bonds all rotate, so that a given structure can have a lot of different shapes depending upon how these guys are oriented. Carbon compounds are often called hydrocarbons, and the reason they're called hydrocarbons is because the bonds that don't have anything on them are filled up with hydrogen. And the hydrogens result in a compound that looks like this. It's completely covered with hydrogens. And this is the image of crude oil. Crude oil comes out of the ground as a complex mixture of compounds like this. They say there are 10,000 compounds in crude oil, but they're essentially mixtures, they're hydrocarbons and mixtures of things of this type. In our industrial world, we use hydrocarbons mostly for fuel. They all burn the same, and I think that for our purposes here, we don't need to worry too much about the structures of them because they all burn and they all burn the same. So this is Chapter 1, Page 1.